Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for a really easy, quick fall look to be able to rock and wear to work or on the weekends or something, and you like this look, then keep on watching. I am new in this space. I have a couple of videos up for alopecia beauties. As you can see, I have alopecia. And it's an autoimmune disease that attacks the hair follicles of your body. But I won't just be doing alopecia videos here. I'll be doing a lot of fun stuff. So I wanted to do a get ready with me makeup routine, just something plain and simple for the fall. Video tips for busy moms. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell down below, and tell a friend. All right, we're gonna have fun. So obviously I'm going to start with a clean face already. And I use two different things. First of all, I use this illuminating day serum called Joyōme. And it really helps to repair your skin. It's probiotics for your skin. And the reason I'm putting it on this way is because I'm almost out of it. So I'm down to my last few drops in my bottle. But this helps to heal your skin, and it also moisturizes as well. Like I said, it's probiotics for your skin, and if you know anything about probiotics, they're good for your insides, for your gut, but they're also good for your skin as well. And I'm not a doctor, I'm not an expert, but if you want some more information on it, I would definitely Google probiotics for your skin. But this one is called Joyōme, and this one, there are two bottles to this. There's a day serum, if you can see that, day serum, and then there's also a night serum, if y'all can see that. So I've got my moisturizer on. My next step is to prime, and I use the Fenty Beauty primer. It is my absolute fave, and this is for all skin types. And yeah, I put primer on my head too, because sometimes I blend my makeup out on my head. We've primed. I have that. It feels kind of sticky, so I like that. Since the seasons have changed, I am like two different colors. So I have two different foundations here. Again, I use the Fenty Beauty foundation. This one is $4.45, and this one is $4.30. So $4.30 obviously is the lighter one. This is $4.30 and this is $4.45. I like to apply it with a brush, but then I blend it out with a sponge. Absolutely love the coverage that I get with the Fenty Beauty foundation. And I don't use a lot, at least I don't think I use a lot, but I like the way you put it on, and it's moisturizing, but then it dries matte. I'm going to come in with my sponge, my beauty blender. Now, I always love to do makeup. I never consider myself an expert, but I do get a lot of compliments on what I do. And so, since I enjoy it and have fun doing it, I thought, well, why not just make a video and help somebody else? You know, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, but I don't find too many who are my skin tone. And so, you know, it's like, hey, why not make a video for my girls my color, who need a little bit of help. If you know someone who's struggling and doesn't know anything whatsoever about makeup, or needs help with eyebrows and putting on lashes and that kind of thing, then I'm your girl. Send them my way. The next thing that I do is concealer. I like the Born This Way concealer. So as you can see, I have a darker one and I have a lighter one. And The lighter one is chestnut, and this one is toffee. And I just go a little bit under my eye area. You don't have to do all of these steps, and I don't do it every single day. You know, there are days where I'm tired and I don't feel like it, but I always feel better when I get up and put my makeup on and make myself look presentable. You know, you just feel better when you got your favorite lipstick color on or your favorite eyeshadow palette. This is what I normally use for my banana powder. We're not going to leave it like this. I'm going to dust this off later. And so the next thing I like to do is my contour. I use the Fenty Beauty. This one is Espresso. And so this is what it looks like. I have a broad nose, and so it kind of helps to shape it and taper it a little bit. And I actually go to the end, you know, like right here, the tip of my nose to the end of it. And so that's where I'm contouring. Okay, here we go. This is the brush that I use for contouring. Depending on what you do, you're gonna need more than one type of brush, just for different types of application and what it is that you're using. So the next thing is my eyebrows. This is one of the eyebrow pencils that I use. And so I go back over my eyebrows just to kind of lighten them up, soften them up a little bit, look more like brow hairs. And so see how that softened up a little bit? I'll go back and do my other eyebrow off camera and then I'll be back, okay? Okay, so the other eyebrow is done. And you know how people say your eyebrows are not always twins, they're sisters? That is definitely true with me. Sometimes even cousins. They're not always even. They're not going to be perfect. But you know what? I don't even care. That's quite all right. Okay, so let's go on to the next step, my eyes. I don't know what look I want to go for today. I did say a fall look. I like the shimmers. Look how pretty that is. Aren't those gorgeous? So it's called Galaxy Chic and it's by BH Cosmetics. I have another one by Too Faced. It's called Peanut Butter that I use. But the colors are actually kind of like peanut butter and jelly. And so this is a great palette to use just for every day. If you can see which ones I use the most, obviously. They're really fall colors. The pink one is, I guess, kind of like the jelly. But it's really, really pretty. Now I'm going to I always like a darker color in my corner right here. And so I'm going to use this Jammin', like jam, peanut butter and jam. It's called Jammin'. And obviously you can tell it's one of my favorites because it's almost gone. But yeah, so I'm going to go in my, just at the corner a little bit. And then I like to come back and the same brush, going back in with that Nuts About You color and just blending it out. So now I'm going to go in with a flat brush. They're pretty. All right, then I want to go back in one more time and just to blend, 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 blend. I like it. I'm going to use Milky Way and Cosmic. Might use both of those. Let's see how it looks. It's powder. It's called Soft Focus. Look at it. It's a really soft powder. It's pressed, but it's soft. And so I just take my kabuki brush and dip it in there. See, not a whole lot. The next thing I like to do is to set my makeup. Spray it and put it on all over, as so. My next step is my lashes. And this is the tweezers that I like to use. It's skinny, so it allows me to see what I'm doing. There. So I have a thinner fan brush that I use for this. So the Sangria is the pink, and then the Mimosa is the orange on the other side. So I'm gonna go in with the orange first. And so that's it. We're done. Let me know what you like. Let me know if you like this, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Thanks again so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell below and tell your friends. All right, bye-bye.